Hey there everyone, it's GG Sober Sun, and here is the non-commentary reading from the 24-hour day book for February 26th. When we came into AA, we came to believe in a power greater than ourselves. We came to believe that the divine principle in the universe, which we call God, and to whom we can turn for help. Each morning, we have a quiet time. We ask God for the power to stay sober for the next 24 hours. And each night we thank Him for helping us to keep sober that day. Do I believe that each man or woman I see in AA is a demonstration of the power of God to change a human being from a drunkard to a sober person? Meditation for the day. I should pray for faith as a thirsty person prays for water in the desert. Do I know what it means to feel sure that God will never fail me? Am I sure of this as I am sure that I still breathe? I should pray daily and most diligently that my faith may increase. There is nothing lacking in my life because really, all I need is mine. Only I lack the faith to know it. I am like a rich person's child who sits in rags when all around me are stores of all I could desire. Prayer for the day. I pray for the realization that God has everything I need. I pray that I may know that His power is always available. Amen. Look up, aim up, rise up. Love y'all.